In this video, we'll learn that what are the roots and determinant of a quadratic equation. So roots are pretty simple. Roots are values of x for which the value of y is 0. Alright, so this means that the values of x for which y is 0. This basically tells us the values of x at which the graph cuts the x-axis, because only at x-axis the value of y is 0. And now what is a determinant? Now determinant, it determines whether the quadratic equation will have two roots, one root or no root. Determines the number of roots. For example, if I have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now one way of solving this equation, if I put y equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c, one way of solving this equation is the quadratic formula, which you've already learned in O levels, which is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now the term b square minus 4ac, which is in the under root, it determines whether this whole expression will give us one value, two value, or no values. For example, if this term is 0, we'll get only one value, which will be equal to minus b over 2a. Now if this term is not 0, let's say this term is greater than 0, let's say this term is greater than 0, then we'll get two values of x, which will be x equal to minus 1 plus a, the sum of this, let's put this equal to a, minus b plus a over 2a, or x equal to minus b minus a over 2a, right? Now if this term b square minus 4ac gave us a value which was less than 0, let's keep it equal to a, the entire thing b square minus 4ac, which is in the under root. If this was less than 0, then this would have been possible to solve, because under root of a negative number is not possible, does not exist in the real world. So then would have said that the equation has no roots. Now in this case, equation had two roots when this b square minus 4ac expression was greater than 0. In this case, equation had only one root, which was x equal to minus b over 2a. I meant a here, a equal to 0. A is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? Now if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we'll get a graph like this, which will cut the x-axis at any 2 points. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we'll get a graph like this, which will only touch the x-axis. It can open downwards too. It depends on the value of a in the equation. Now here, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, hence the equation, the quadratic formula, would have been solved, because the under root of negative number doesn't exist. So we'll get a graph like this. See you in the next lecture. We'll learn about this in more detail.